Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can disable the active status in Messenger. That is, you have Messenger application, you have your profile, and if you are online at the moment, you will be displayed as, for example, this account that you are online, that is such a green circle, that is that you are online or when you were last online. Also, it will be available information. But you can do so that a person or any other user did not see when you were online, and there was just nothing written in this item how to do it. Everything is simple. You want to go to the Messenger application, then at the top click on the three bars. Now here we select the account to which you want to turn off the online status. Selected, then click on the settings icon. Then we select the item, privacy and safety. Now here we select the item, what people see. Then active status select and turn off here. Turn off. That is, turn off this item and now the person will not be able to see when we were last online or we are now online or not. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.